every moment just flashed through my mind. It's like a flashback in a movie. And I sat there and I said, Sri, you are a medalist now, and this is the time to smile and to celebrate. So the initial stage of Olympics games was really normal because we knew that we had a wonderful progress or procedure from last 1.5 years. And when we left for the Olympics games, we were like really confident, so that we believed that okay, we can do a better games this time at least. Definitely every team, when they travel for the Olympics games, they always dream about winning a medal for their country, especially everyone dream about winning a gold medal. So yeah, we did had that kind of confidence. And when I came back to my country, definitely I was so proud, I was so thrilled, because when I started my career long back in 2000, I always heard about the rich history of Indian Olympics journey. We are the one who are holding highest medals, gold medals in hockey. So we always had that courage, inspiration from the great work done by our ancestors. So definitely I really felt proud. So because I am holding a medal, and I'm part of a history now, and I think that okay, through that medal, we managed to bring some sort of wake up or revolution into Indian hockey. Coach Graham Reid is he himself a Olympian, and he participated in Olympics as a player, and two-time as a player and two-time as a coach. So he is a very experienced person when we consider about the Olympics games. And definitely he do have a lot of experience with Australians and Dutch as well. So he do have that kind of flavor of an Australian attacking hockey, and you can say is that yeah, the Dutch kind of European defensive structure. And when it comes to India, he loves Indian style of hockey, because the Indians are really skillful, and we known with our artistical way of skills. So what he just implement that, he give freedom to the players just to play their best match, and play their own skill, and play their own what do you call he give them freedom just to do to play the best match. And that's the best part, because you yourself being a player, you feel like okay, or you know that what player likes or what player dislike. And being a coach, you know that what a coach demand, and how it's going to be and how it's the player going to react. So I think that experience helped us a lot to manage the pressure situation. And the best part, I just want to mention this, the best part what he have made us to do is, before going for the bronze medal match, he asked us to stand up on the chairs during the meeting session, and he all asked us to stand up on the chairs and close our eyes, and asked us to imagine, okay guys, you are getting that medal, you are wearing that medal, just imagine that. And that's how we left for our training session. So that's instincts comes from only an experienced player. No. I feel like he is really kind. He is not a really good. So sometimes, yeah, coaches need to take a really good stand. But I feel like he is more comfortable. He is more acceptable with the way the player is. And definitely, when a player commit mistake, he's not, really shouting at him, but he asks why. So that's a real thing. See, he asked, why did you do that? Okay, what is the reason behind that? So he tried to accept the things from the side of players. So somewhere that is really good. But yeah, we Indians, we are always used to with the bamboo kind of thing. So you need to get some sort of that pinch, otherwise you will not wake up. So somewhere he is always there to give that, and some places he is always there to hold with you and says, okay, let's go boys, we can do it. First thing I always says that, shit, yeah, come on, can't give this seriously. That was my first reaction, because we you are holding the medal here and you are about to case, and there is a PC, then definitely you feel the same way, right? And I was a bit frustrated before itself because that I was seeing the clock, it's not working, it stopped. And I was asking the umpire, just switch it on, umpire timeout, because the clock is not working. And he's not giving a damn. He says, no, 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 that's a technical table. By the time everything over, there's a penalty corner. Then the first thing came into my mind, "Arey yaar, abhi nahi." And then there is 40 seconds for us to get ready for the penalty corner. Then I was just looking at the Germans, how they are preparing. So they were all huddling. So I told my players, boys, let's go, just do this. So this is our plan. This is what we are doing. Mind this, mind that, mind that. Then that is the next chances for me, because I need to focus on my business first. Then I was looking. I was thinking about, okay, this is all areas he is good with. He's flicking a good bit, and they might look. Analyze me. So they might flick on the right top or left down or straight flick. So then definitely you do have your mental calculation, but then everything goes into a blank thing. Then this is the time you need to look at the ball and you just need to react it. That's all. And definitely in those situations, definitely the Germans also under pressure, because if they score, they can do the game. If they didn't, then definitely we are going to win. So I think Germans are more under pressure than us. But for me, as a goalkeeper, I was not thinking anything about these all things. I was just thinking that, Sri, you trained from last 21 years. So I'm playing hockey from last 21 years, and this is the time you just need to save it. The all hard work what you have committed or done, it's only for this day and this day. And luckily I got it. So I'm so happy with that, seriously. But you don't believe, after that. So when I cleared that ball, that was a clean contact with my glove, and the ball went to the sideline. So that is a highlight. I mean, I feel really good, because that is what we train, always put the ball into the sideline or the back line, and that went there. 3, 2, 1, game over. So you can check that video clip. I was celebrating just after that save, because I knew that in any world they can't bring back that ball into our circle by 3 seconds. And that frustration, that tension, that all hard work, everything came off, and I just celebrated in the way I wanted to. And I don't know, I got a lot of wonderful pictures from that celebration. That's wonderful. That's a memorable thing, seriously. Yeah, see, that is one of the best thing I can ever do, because it's been long. I am just standing in front of the goalpost, right? It's been long years, and goalpost is like a buddy for me. And whenever I am alone in front of my goalpost, I used to talk. I mean, whenever the ball hits the goalpost, I always thank the goal. So I thought, okay, this is the right time to climb on the goalpost and sit there to relax. And from there, when I look into that ground, look at that stadium, I felt it like, okay, that all 21 years from my child, the beginning stage from 2000, all the struggles, all the hard work, all the sweat, all the punishments, all the cries, all the tears, and what all things, whatever, up and downs, the graphs goes high, the goes down. Even 2000, 2008, we didn't qualify. 2012, we didn't win a match. In 16, we lost in the quarterfinals. So every moment just flashed through my mind. It's like a flashback in a movie. And I sat there and I said, Sri, you are a medalist now, and this is the time to smile and to celebrate. Definitely, that is a kind of honor, because Rahul Dravid, known as a wall of Indian cricket team. Then when I get that name, I really enjoy, and definitely I would like to give that name to Savita, because she was the key player for this wonderful performance behind the women's hockey team. And she stand tall, in the semi-finals, and definitely before the league round matches. And yeah, I think she deserves it. More than me. But anyways, I really love it, and that's a great honor, and that's a great recognition also. I seen her training every day. We are the same training center. I know her personally from last 10 years, and her work ethics, her way of dedication towards the game, her way of taking care of the team and giving life to the team. It's really miracle. What I always felt it like, yes, the way, after that third fourth game, the way she was crying, that's literally hurt me, because I'm the right person who can understand her feelings in the correct time, because uh, she considered one goal in a wrong way, and I asked her about her about that the same goal, and she said why I couldn't see that ball. I didn't see that ball. That's why I considered that. But I said just ignore it, because you done a wonderful job. Because of you, we reached in the semi-final. So I was really happy for her, and definitely for the entire team, because somewhere in between in the tournament, my coaches used to take their name to motivate us. Graham used to tell us, look at the girls, the way they fight, the way they play. So that is what we want. We want that energy, and we can play better. So yeah, they are really good with their performance, and yeah, we really admire them. So I don't mind if you give their name to Savita for any reason. This group is good. I mean, actually, because with the 10 debut players, we went. I mean, debut Olympians, we went for these Olympics games, and we achieved this. And we left out a lot of experienced players in India also. So if we can carry with this same core group for such a long time, we can produce very good result in the upcoming years. Anyways, when you win an Olympics medal, that gives you I mean, huge amount of confidence, and that's help you to stand tall in front of any other team now. We can capitalize that. We can, when we are looking forward for the next years, where we are playing pro leagues, where we are going to play Commonwealth Games, and the next one is the toughest one. We can say is that Asian Games, because there were last time we missed the gold medal, so this time we need to look at that only. Less than anything, it's like not good for us. And after to that, we are in Odisha, especially in Bhubaneswar. We are going to host. We are going to conduct the World Cup. So that's our. I mean, the main targets now in front of us. So I hope that with this young bunch of players and senior like us, I hope we can definitely looking forward with a positive mindset, with a lot of confidence, and with a lot of hope.